Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kasorkar jilla ling bagatunan arts and culture Hakhmat project unok pra arajar apusan klaraki kan maburam yakling ko sngiyap ka prapusan snam ju Myllung Soso Tham dag penlong yakajing bu Syntiew Hakhmat Durmot ublate pensa nam haplau jong State Central Library Shillong hagabalation bentalang dulat ka jilla Vijayashankar age Vijayashankar ublalong kumukongstan ringkat kajing Sakhi lang jong ki Bahaïing sem ju Myllung Soso Tham Menteri Kasorkar jilla bakmi ikatan arts and culture ba san bo Julai ki officer Kasorkar jilla kino hikai bagi kena school. Hading gani hagajiyo lang kablalong house Soso Tham auditorium ulat lapan kuburam iki Bahaïing sem jo Myllung Soso Tham bagi kena school kilwa job iki jiyo ko paper.
As we commemorate the 85th death anniversary of our beloved Soso Tham, the Khasi literary icon. On this solemn occasion, the Department of Agriculture, Government of India, has taken the initiative to observe every year, and this year too, to observe the death anniversary of Soso Tham with the support of his family members, and once again we assembled here to pay tribute on his enduring legacy. This year's commemoration is observed under the theme Soso Tham Ubayoi Jingal Umdo Jingkermen Ula Yoi Lupa Ya Dalawai Bapanai Na Banta Kari Bankajan. His legend, where we can really put our signature, recognized by the indigenous people of our state, that he is the only person who really loved the Jaisalmer. Ubada Chisaya Rio Batakam Yagaba. We are here today to learn about the Khasi language, the English language, and other language. He's a real father of the nation. Ubada Chisaya Rio, they will be Soso Tham. Don't give me paper. Ibala Jaisalmer para Banya Soso Tham. I send this message to you.
This kind of programs, particularly the name of Soso Tham, which we are going to conduct here, it is not going to benefit either to the family of Soso Tham or particularly the great soul Soso Tham. It is going to benefit to the whole of the society. And many of the programs I am going to repeat. Again I am going to repeat it here. Who do not know their history, they cannot create history. They cannot create history. This is the time, this is the opportunity, this is the occasion to recall ourselves, our memories, and our history, our cultural history, our social background, our spiritual background, and our forefathers' commitment towards the society, their contribution, not only the commitment, their contribution to the society, In that way, ultimately this kind of programs inspires us. We also should give something to the society. Ultimately, it makes us to understand what is our role. What is our role in the society? And what exactly the society is expectation from we people. And what we can contribute. In that way, I feel every year, once in a year, we are going to assemble here and remember the name of you, Soso, and speaks few of the things about them. And again 1 year it will go. Any of our honorable ministers here, art and culture, our principal secretary is also here. Two things I am going to make it very clear here. One thing, you take the family of this particular Soso, family members, and some of the dignitaries, well-versed personalities, and form an academy in the name of you, Soso, form academy. All the 12 months, one or the other activities should run. One or the other activities should run all the 12 months. Instead of conducting death anniversary, death is kind of changed. You conduct birth anniversary of Soso. Birth anniversary. His birth is relevant. His birth is more important. Such kind of souls, again, they should take rebirth. They should take rebirth, not death. They are supposed to take rebirth. To enrich our society, to enrich our culture, to promote our language, richness of this language. So, death anniversary, I think better, any of our honorable ministers also sitting here, and principal secretary is here. I think probably you are supposed to take up this matter to the cabinet. You take this matter to the cabinet, change it. Death you forget, birth you take. Birth is important. Birth anniversary of Soso. Birth is relevant. This kind of souls, I tell you, they are not there. So long we remember them. So long society is going to respect them. So long our society is going to remember such personality, so long we respect such personalities, no death for such personalities, I tell you, no death at all. They are always living. That kind of personality, they are always living. No death to such souls, I tell you. So that another second thing, death you remove it. You put birth in that place. Birth of you, Soso. As a father of Farsi literature. Father of Farsi literature. See the wonderful personality. Father of Farsi literature. At a time when Farsi was mostly spoken and not widely written, he gave a strong written form. Through his writings, he preserved the history, values, and traditions of the Kasi people and for the future generation also. His notable verse continues to guide us in understanding our roots and cultural identity.